Hi everyone! In today's video I will show you how to crochet these cute little frogs. This is a super quick and easy project that you can make with any size yarn and matching crochet hook. For the ones here I used sport weight yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. I also glued it on the eyes for a cute final touch. So let's get started. And we will start with the chain 11. Round 1. Starting in the second chain from the hook, make 1 half double crochet into each chain. So first, second, make a half double crochet, place a stitch marker, and 1 half double crochet into each chain. And make 3 half double crochet into the last chain. So this is your first half double crochet, second half double crochet, third half double crochet, and place the stitch marker onto that third half double crochet. And now on the other side of your chain, make 1 half double crochet into each stitch. Remember to work around the tail so you don't need to save it inside later on. So 1 half double crochet into each chain from the other side of the chain. And make 2 half double crochet into the last chain. So 1 and second half double crochet into the same chain. So you should have 22 stitches altogether in round number 1. Now let's start round number 2. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch you did, chain 1, and starting in the same chain, make 2 half double crochet into the first 2 stitches. So you will start in the same stitch where you did the slip stitch. So this is your first half double crochet in the first stitch. Replace the marker. Second half double crochet into the same stitch, and then make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. Make 1 half double crochet into each stitch until you reach the second stitch from the stitch marker. So 1 half double crochet into each stitch until you reach the second stitch from the stitch marker. I have reached the second stitch from the stitch marker. Make 2 half double crochet into next 4 stitches. So 2 half double crochet into this stitch, 2 half double crochet into this stitch, 1 and 2, 2 half double crochet into this stitch, and we will not need this stitch marker anymore. So 2 half double crochet, 1, 2, and last one, 1 and 2. And now make 1 half double crochet into each stitch until you reach the second stitch from the end. Okay, now do not confuse slip stitch and chain 1 as a stitches. So this is chain 1, this is slip stitch, we ignore it. So these two are our last 2 stitches, okay? So when you reach here, make 2 half double crochet into those last 2 stitches. 1 and last 2 stitches. Okay? Now slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 1 and make 3 slip stitches. You don't need the stitch marker anymore. Your slip stitch shouldn't be too tight. Try to do them loosely. We want our frock to be flat. And the next slip stitch. And the last slip stitch. And now yarn over, skip next stitch and make 6 double crochet into the next stitch. So this is your first double crochet, second double crochet into the same stitch, third, and the last one. Now skip next stitch and make a slip stitch into the next stitch. Then again skip 1 stitch and make 6 double crochet into the next stitch. So skip next one and make 6 double crochet over here. Skip next stitch and continue to make slip stitch all around. Remember to not slip stitch too tight. And the last slip stitch, when finished, cut your yarn and hide all the tails. Attach the eyes onto the frock with the hot glue. And that's it. That's your frock is done. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please leave thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.